Assalamualaikum kids. Okay, how are you? Alright, last week we have completed this book. However, I want to go back and make some revision with you. Okay, so you can take this book. Okay, we are going to revise the first pillars of Iman, belief in Allah. Okay, this page, okay, some of you may have done it. Okay, but some of you haven't done it yet. Okay, sebab waktu ni ialah pada waktu-waktu yang ada yang start cuti, ada yang start datang sekolah. Okay, so ada yang buat, ada yang tak buat. So what I want to do today is to do this page again. Okay, teacher nak buat balik semula muka surat ni. Okay, for those yang dah buat, you can continue to colour the pictures and also completing other works yang ada yang tak siap lagi. Okay, siapa yang tak siap lagi, kita buat sama-sama. Okay, so now today we are going to the page 22. 22, okay? Belief in Allah. Okay, this is the first pillar of Iman. Last week we already have revision. The first pillar of Iman is belief in Allah. Okay, so if you can look at page 22, okay, you have a very big Allah writing over here. So inside, okay, you have the space for you to do rainbow writing, but more on that later. More on this later. Okay, so we are going to read first atas ni. Okay, nampak Okay, Allah is our creator. Allah itu pencipta kita. Okay, He created everything in this world. Okay, Allah buat semua yang dalam dunia ni. Okay, pokok, awan, matahari, bumi, semualah, semua. Okay, yang mana boleh hidup, tak ada bateri, tak ada tunggu solar power ke apa, dia boleh jalan sendiri, dia boleh berduduk sini. Itu semua Allah yang buat. Okay, kalau yang nak hidup kena ada bateri lah, kena tunggu cahaya matahari lah boleh hidup, kena ada elektrik lah. Itu semua manusia yang buat. Okay, kalau manusia, Allah yang buat. Alright. Okay, show your love to Allah. Show your love to our Creator by reciting this together. Okay, by reciting this what together? Okay, believe in Allah. Okay, describe the word Allah. Okay, decorate the word Allah. Okay, believe in Allah maksudnya percaya kepada Allah. Kenapa kita kena percaya kepada Allah? Because Allah is our creator. Okay, He created everything. Okay, apa yang kita tak tahu pun Allah create. Okay, we haven't seen everything yet. So believe in Allah. Okay, manalah tahu satu hari nanti kita kerja elok apa semua, benda kita tak pernah nampak, kita nampak. Okay, believe in Allah. Alright, trust His plan, trust His work. Okay, now you can see this word Allah ni. Okay, you can decorate the word, but before you decorate the word, I want you to have a few color pencils with you. Okay, I want you to do this as a rainbow writing. Okay, remember rainbow writing? Okay, you have a few color pencils with you. You are going to do this. Write in this shape. Okay, write. Okay, lepas tu jangan ada missing tertinggal semua. Okay, teacher tak ada contohan ni tau. Okay, your book. Okay, using your book, tulis macam ni. Lepas tu ambil color pencil lain, tulis juga contohnya. Okay, sekejap, tunggu sekejap. Okay, example. Okay, yang ni teacher dah tulis dah. Alamak, betul tak teacher nak lukis bulat. Sekejap Okay. Okay, yang ni kat buku teacher. Okay, teacher dah bertulis dah. Okay, so apa teacher nak buat? Okay, I want to do rainbow writing. So first, I have my color pencils with me. Okay, this is not color pencil. Ni color magic. For you, I want you to use color pencil. Okay, so what I want you to do is take one color. Okay, take one color. And then, you tulis dalam ni. Ikut macam ni. Okay, like this. Like this. Ikut nampak macam ni. Macam ni. Alif, lam, ha. Tulis ni. Sabdu, alif kecil dengan tanda ni. Sign, okay? Nombor 1. Okay, take another color pencil. Do rainbow writing. Pakai color lain pula. Cantiknya macam rainbow. Alif, lam. Okay, lam, Ha. Okay. Macam tu. Jangan tinggal. Okay. Color nombor 3. Color green lah pula. Okay. Alif. Lam. Ha. Sabdu. Alif kecil dengan ni. Sign ni. Okay. Okay. Color number 4. Color blue pula. Okay. Last color. Okay. Last color. Okay. Alif. Lam. Ha. Sabdu. Alif kecil dengan tanda ni. Alright. See, kalau you have 7 colors, you are going to have rainbow kat situ. Okay, you can have any 7 colors that you love. Okay. So, after you complete dengan this page, okay, you can proceed to this page pula. Ni. Okay, page number 2. Page number 2 yang ni. Sorry. Page 23. Okay, page number 2 lah for today. Okay, second page for today. Okay. Okay. Allah is the creator. Allah si pencipta. Okay, creator. Remember, Allah buat semua yang kita ada kat dunia ni. Okay. Can you draw Allah's creation? Number 1, sun. Number 2, birds. Number 3, fish. Number 4, flowers. Okay, number 1, sun. If you look outside, awak cuba tengok sun. Dia dekat mana? Dia ada dekat dalam tasik ke? Dia ada dekat langit ke? Dia ada dekat atas pokok ke? Ataupun dia ada dekat dalam rumah ke? Dia ada dekat mana? Okay, if you look outside, you can see the sun is at the sky. In the sky. Okay. Sun tu dekat langit. So, sama juga dalam gambar ni. Okay. Sun is not in the river. Sun is not on the bridge. Sun is not behind the trees. Okay. Sun is in the sky. So, kat mana sky? Okay, kat sini. Nampak tak kat sini? Atas ni, gunung ni. Okay, ada langit kat sini. Okay. So, you write here. Sun kat sini. Okay. If you cannot draw complicated shape, you can just draw simple as me. Okay. Just simple. Macam teacher buat. Okay. Draw one circle. And then draw some rays. Dia punya sinaran matahari tu. Macam ni. Okay. Sun. Kita ada satu je sun, so you cannot draw more than one. Satu je lukis sun. Kalau you lukis 2 sun, habislah kita semua. Okay, awak ni Tuhan siapa pula ni? Tiba-tiba 2 matahari pula ni. Okay, 1 sun. Okay, next. Can you draw Allah's creation? Number 2, birds. Okay, number 2, birds. Alright. Kita tengok luar. Okay, you can see some birds maybe on the trees. Okay, some birds maybe in the sky, flying. Okay. Some birds may be by the river bank. Okay, dia nak minum air sikit je. Okay. Some birds may be on the bridge. Dia nak tengah bersembang dengan kawan-kawan dia. Okay. So, for today, I want to draw some birds in the sky. Flying birds. Okay. Flying birds. If you want to draw some birds sitting on the tree, boleh. Teacher bagi. If you want to draw some birds sitting on the bridge, untuk 2-3 ekor birds, boleh. Teacher bagi. Okay, if you want to draw some birds duduk kat sini minum air, boleh. If you know how to draw. Okay, so for now I want to draw simple birds. I want to draw simple shape of birds. Okay, flying birds. Okay, so I want you to draw 2 wings. Macam ni. Macam ni. Macam bentuk V tu. Lepas tu draw dia punya kaki kecil je. Dia berjauh nampak macam tu kan. Okay, yang ni birds ni besar. Dia tengah fly jauh, nampak dia kecil macam tu je. Okay. 1 birds, 2 birds. Macam tu. Okay. If you want to draw the birds flying in the sun, no, you cannot. Hancur burung tu, rentong. Okay, so I want to draw 1 more flying birds. Flying birds. Okay, 1 more. Kat sini lah atas ni. Okay. Flying birds. Okay. Next. Can you draw Allah's creation? Fish. Okay. You can look around you. Are there fishes on the street? Ada tak ikan atas jalan? Ada. Tengah berenang. Ikan yang tengah berenang atas jalan ada? Tak ada. Okay. Can you see fishes on the tree? Tak ada. Okay. Sebab tempat ikan dalam air. So, fish must be here inside this river. So again simple shapes, okay? Draw the body macam ni. And then draw the tail. Macam ni. Macam bentuk ikan, yang biskut ikan tu. Macam tu lah bentuk dia, okay? So you draw some one eye and then one mouth. Okay, one fish. Okay, then next over here. Sini. One more. Shape. One eye, one mouth. Dia senyum. Dalam air, dia senyum. Dia senang hati. Okay, one more fish over here. Okay. One tail, one eye, one mouth. Okay, number 3. Okay, kalau awak nak draw fishes tengok tempat lain, boleh buatlah kat sini pula. Macam ni. Macam ni. Lepas tu, dia punya ekor dia macam ni. One eye, one mouth. Okay, dah. We have 4 fishes in the river. Next, flowers. Okay. Flowers, it can be in the river, it can be on the land. So, for today, I want to draw flowers on the land. Kita nak lukis bunga yang atas darat. Okay. So, flowers. Nampak tak bushes ni? Bushes kat sini. Okay, draw flowers kat sini satu. Macam ni. Macam ni. Nampak tak? Simple je, okay? One circle and then some tiny clouds. Macam tu. Macam tu. Okay. If you want to draw flowers here pun boleh. Kadang-kadang ada sebelum jadi buah jadi bunga. Macam ni. Lukis sikit satu. Okay. Ada bunga-bunga. Teacher tak tahu lah ni pokok apa. Okay. Sebelum jadi buah dia jadi bunga dulu. Macam ni. Alright. Okay. If you completed all this, you can colour this picture. Okay. Colour cantik-cantik. That's all. Bye-bye.